Fig, a miracle of Mother Nature. For centuries, it is known that the fig fruit is accepted as a symbol of productivity in ancient Greek and Egyptian civilizations. Fig, having roots in Anatolia, is as old as humanity and known as the oldest fruit among the others. In Turkey, forming the base of cooperative industry and have roots dated back to 1915, Tariş Fig's Agricultural Sales Cooperatives Union has an outstanding and honorable position in terms of the historical development of cooperatives. Due to the special fertilization and distinctive drying conditions, dried fig production is located in the Aegean region of the Büyük Menderes and Küçük Menderes areas. There are 13 cooperatives and nearly 5,000 member growers of the Tariş Fig Union in the region. Tariş Fig Union, which contributes mainly to the national economy by protecting the producers' great efforts, has been working on providing the member growers with the most appropriate data regarding their production, presenting the developments in terms of production, phytosanitary, productivity, quality, and legislation to the knowledge of the producer, increasing the yield and quality during the production and processing phase, introduction of technologies, developing byproducts related to dried figs, and product diversification phases. The fig processing and storage facility, which is established on a land of 60,000 meters square, has a closed area of 43,000 meters square. By having a storage capacity of 12,000 tons per year and 15,000 tons of dried fig processing capacity per year, is one of the largest fig facilities in the world. Tariş Fig Union produces natural and healthy products under the assurance of TSEN ISO 2200 Food Safety Management System, TSEN ISO 9001 Quality Management System, Halal, Kosher, BRC, and IFS food certificates, and exports its products to many countries around the world. In order to maintain the sustainable quality and reliability of the Tariş and Intasco brands in the domestic and foreign markets, Tariş Fig Union continuously strengthens its production conditions with technological equipment for the development of hygiene and quality standards for customer satisfaction. Figs, which are consolidated from the member growers, are produced with human labor. Great efforts and ultimate care throughout a year are subjected to expertise in the Tariş Fig Union Cooperative's quality standards. For the ease of traceability, each case of dried figs have codes that include information regarding the manufacturer partner's number, quantity, product quality, and cooperative name. In this way, dried figs which are collected from cooperatives are processed in Germensik Fig Processing and Storage Facility. Dried figs, which are accepted to the facility, are then fumigated in special sealed rooms. With the fumigation process, all kinds of foreign matters that may have contaminated from the garden are prevented. Pressurized carbon dioxide tanks are used for fumigation of organic products. Fumigated dried figs are subjected to be processed on shaking line, where the foreign matter, sour, moldy, sunburned, cleft, cracked, and insect-damaged figs are sorted out after pre-aflatoxin control. Dried figs, which will be stored for a long time depending on the delivery deadline, are stored in our own cold air storages at appropriate temperature and humidity values in order to prevent loss of quality. Others are taken to the raw material storage area. Dried figs are passed through the aflatoxin sorting machine before being put into production, and the contaminated figs with aflatoxins are separated with the help of laser. Clean figs passed through the machine are subjected to aflatoxin control for the second time under ultraviolet lamps. Dried figs, after the aflatoxin control is completed, are taken to the washing process first and then to the resting area. Washed dried figs are then taken to the production area for processing according to preferably customer demands. Our dried figs are processed in accordance with TS 541 dried fig standard and customer specifications and are compatible to moisture and microbiology analysis in the quality control laboratory. Dried figs are then transformed into fig paste to be used as an ingredient in jam, biscuit, confectionery, chocolate breakfast cereal, or to be used in yogurt industry by passing through different production stages in our business. In order to diversify the product range, our union produces also delights in our facility with figs using natural sugar, and our figs and fruit-flavored delights that appeals to different tastes are presented as well to our consumers with the quality of Tarish Fig Union. Our figs are processed in different production types and production lines, such as diced figs or sliced figs, and dried figs are sorted out from possible foreign matters, which are controlled by X-ray machines, either as a whole, diced or sliced forms. Samples are taken among the processed product prior to packaging stage by the official authorities, and produced goods are then analyzed and prepared for shipment. Passed through metal detectors, packed products are prepared for shipment after by being subjected to vacuum fumigation process, which is effective in all stages of egg, larva in order to reduce the risk of possible living pests to zero. Our union, which has an environmentally friendly production approach, employs renewable energy and uses the solar energy system with 500 kWp grid-mounted roof installation designed for the Germansik fig processing and storage facility. As a second field of business, Tarish Fig Union Cologne Factory, which is launched in 1972, proceeds its activities in its Aydin Orta Organized Industrial Zone, which was equipped with modern technology system in 2018. In our cologne factory, besides the classic Tarish Fig Union lemon cologne, which has proven its quality for many decades, product diversification has been made. Production in different essences and packaging types such as lavender, tobacco, olive flower, green tea, mandarin, fig, and shaving cologne are produced and presented to our valuable consumers. Tarish Fig Union, which is ranked first in the world, contributes to the international dried fig production, which has numerous benefits for health, provides healthy products in the quality of the Tarish Fig Unity its services to its consumers with its strength, knowledge, and experience for more than a century. From producer to end consumer, with Tarish Fig Union reliability for more than a century.